everybody, it's Attorney Kiana Franulik. How you doing? I'm just finishing my court day. Not the work day, but my court day. And, I just needed to post this video because I think that it seems like no matter how much you can advise, how much their family may tell them, how much you may even have experience with it, it almost seems like nobody understands that going to jail is always a possibility when you have been convicted of a crime. So even if your sentencing guidelines put you in a probationable cell for scoring, you still can go to jail. Even if it is just a 93-day misdemeanor, you can still go to jail. Whenever you have been convicted of a crime, you can possibly go to jail. Yes, you can work out plea agreements. And yes, for low-level offenses, probation is most likely what's going to occur. And yes, you can get probation even if you fall in the lines for jail. It is a possibility still that you could be locked up. So there's a couple ways to handle that. One, don't commit a crime or be convicted of a crime. Now, I'm going to put an asterisk by that because I know there are some circumstances, obviously, where innocent people do get convicted and innocent people do plead. So let's just say if you plea to a crime or are found guilty of a crime in trial, you can go to jail. You should be prepared for the possibility of jail on your sentencing date. You should be prepared for a possibility of jail if you violate bond, if you drug test dirty, if you don't come to court, if you miss your pre-sentence investigation. There are multiple instances where you can end up in jail on a criminal case, even with the best attorney. And ending up in jail doesn't mean that your attorney didn't do their job. It doesn't mean that someone is just overly harsh all the time. But there are a set of rules when you're on bond, when you're on probation. Even if it's a simple violation, you are still under the jurisdiction of the court and you can be sent to jail. So, long story short, if you have pled to a crime, if you have been found guilty in trial of a crime, you can always go to jail. All right. Talk to you later.